Get in there. Like, wham! Oh, look, it's Christmas. So last night, I wanted to do a ski event, and we're going to have an episode on off-cheap brand, ready-to-runs, and how extravagantly unawesome they really are. So that'll be a video. So I wanted to have a four-wheel drive for today because there's a little ski event going on and want to do some shit up the hill. Call Brad, like, Brad, I need that low-seat slider four-wheel drive, slap it together and go. It's like, man, it's kind of broken. You have 40 minutes to throw it together. I'm like, damn, I ain't got time for that shit. Damn! So as I was talking to Dave last night, he just like, we'll figure something out. So I talked to Dave this morning. He's like, just go to the store. Like, what are you talking about, Dave? Just go to the store. I got something for you behind the counter. Just go to the store. We'll figure it out. So look at that. So I went to the store. Got my name on it. Sitting behind the counter. Get a Slash 4x4 Ultimate. I didn't even pay for it. It's like, just grab it. Go ahead. Because that's the type of fucking guy Dave is. He's just one of the nicest cats I've met in my life. It's really phenomenal. So, what do we got? What's in the box? Everything you see in that picture.
Plus some upgrades.
It supposedly has all the super upgrades. I can hook up the TQI controller to my phone via Bluetooth and control everything on the truck. So let's dig in. Let's see what's going on. It's like Christmas. Ah! Santa Dave. Huh?
Santa Dave.
Santa Dave.
From Gromax. Armont, Michigan.
Where is that?
There
Oh, right there. So, I'm going to pull off my other body, because, this is a new body. Don't want to screw it up. I already have a body to screw up. So I'll do that instead. When I open the box, I can't figure it out. Oh my God, I'm an idiot. Why is he so stupid? Oh, look. Traxxas! Foam. That is awesome. We've got foam. We got an upside down truck. Look at it. Look at it. Plastic.
Yeah, it's like the plastic that you see on your grandma's couches.
Yeah. Keep the cats off, yeah.
Right.
So what we got in the box? The basics, some stickers, the toolkit. I don't know what the flip that is. That has to be some tool for the four-wheel drive. Some foam action, the manual, which I'll have to read to figure out how to work my controller at some time. Body mount clips. Oh, more foam! Look at it. And the infamous top qualifier, multi-function, super awesome Traxxas controller.
Traxxas.
Traxxas! Alright, so let's look under the hood. What's under the hood? I can't get it. Oh, hey, safety. Alright, hey, look at that. That's staying just like that in the plastic. Bam! So we get the Ventaline 3500, right?
Yep. Should be a Millennium 35.
Got aluminum C-hubs, steering blocks.
The nice part.
Aluminum edition, ultimate edition accessories. Front and rear sway bars, blue ionized PTFE coated GTR shocks,
Which are big bore shocks.
aluminum wheel nuts, shiny.
Won't be that way for long.
Nope, I'll scratch them right up. Yeah, what am I missing? What am I missing? Tires, BF Goodrich what? BF Goodrich. And they say BF Goodrich on them. That is
They do.
something else. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to turn them down some for sure. Oh, that's pretty, man. That really is nice. So I'm gonna wreck this summer, most likely. That point and shoot that we call the 4-wheel drive contest.
Yes.
And this has the low center of gravity chassis. This is the ultimate. Everything that you need for hop-ups is already hopped up.
Nice truck, though.
And it's beautiful. Listen. Yeah. That sounds... Oh, so I'm going to rip this apart right now, throw my biggest gear in here, bring it up the hill, and just tool it around nicely and get it a little wet. I'm not launching it. Do some speed blasts, throw some snow, but I don't want to break it. This is not a basher. Well, I mean, you could consider it a basher, couldn't you?
You could.
If you want a
It's all beefed up.
expensive basher.
You'll have to run the 2S and then you have to run a 3S in there.
I got a couple of 2S's ready to blast. I'm sure Dave will have a 3S up there if I want to play around with it. It looks just like my other Slash, except 4-wheel drive. Better system.
So there you have it.
Go faster.
First unboxing for
First unboxing.
what team?
2 RC guys, kinda.
Yep.
Slash 4x4 Ultimate. So, that is that. This is this. I am T.
I'm Brad.
And we are out of here.
Later.
Bye-bye.